What if the difference between getting mediocre AI answers and getting professional level work in minutes was simply how you asked the question? In 2026, most people still type one-sentence requests and wonder why the output feels average or generic. Today, I'm handing you the exact 7 prompt frameworks I use every single day to turn Grok, Claude, GPT, or any model into a true 10x multiplier for work and business. You'll walk away with 7 ready-to-copy templates, the simple system that ties them all together, live before and after examples, and real stories that show the actual time and money they save. You'll find these 7 templates, plus the full printable AI-proof career checklist, and even more prompt resources, so you can keep building on what we covered today. Stick around. These tools are already helping everyday professionals save hours every week. Last month, a friend who runs a small service business spent 45 minutes tweaking a marketing email using basic one-line prompts. He ended up with generic copy that sounded like everything else in his inbox. I sat down with him, used one structured template on the same model, and the new version converted 3 times better when we tested it with a small audience. The difference wasn't the AI, it was the prompt. He told me later that single change cut his revision time in half and actually brought in new customers. Stories like this are why I keep refining these methods. Most of us treat AI like a magic 8-ball. We throw in a vague question and hope for the best. Elite prompt engineering is simply giving clear instructions with the right structure. No fancy degree required. No need to be a programmer. Just a few consistent patterns that work across every major model right now. Let's fix that right now so you stop leaving results on the table. The foundation for everything is a framework I call CORE: context, output format, role, and expectations, plus constraints. This single structure is what I build every other prompt on. You start with, you are a specific role with 15 plus years experience. Then you give clear context, who the audience is, the situation, any important data. Next comes the exact task or deliverable. Then you specify the output format, length, and style you want. Finally, you add constraints, tone of voice, what to avoid, maximum length, anything else that matters. End with, think step by step and ask clarifying questions if needed. Watch how big the difference is. Bad prompt most people use? Write a YouTube title for AI tools. The result is usually something generic and forgettable. Now the elite version, using the full core template. The AI immediately understands the audience, the goal, and the style we want. It produces titles with numbers, emotional triggers, and keywords that actually help with ranking. One framework works across every model and every task you throw at it. Content, research, emails, financial analysis, even personal planning. Once you start using CORE as your default, you'll notice your AI outputs improve dramatically within the first day. Now, let's go deeper into the 7 elite prompt templates you can steal and start using today. I've tested all of these across multiple real projects this year, and they consistently deliver high-quality results fast. Number 1 is the content creation multiplier for shorts, long-form, emails, or social posts. Act as a veteran YouTube strategist for practical adults 30 to 55. Create 5 title, plus description, plus 3 shorts ideas for this topic. Use high CTR patterns, front-load keywords, zero hype. Output everything in a clean table format with columns for title, description, and shorts hooks. I use this one every single week when planning new videos. It saves me from staring at a blank screen and gives ready-to-tweak ideas that actually connect with busy professionals like you. If you're in marketing or any creative role worried about AI taking over content, this template lets you direct the AI instead of competing with it. Number 2 is the money and research analyst. You are a senior financial analyst who prioritizes actionable steps over theory. Research this topic using the latest 2026 data available. Give pros and cons, exact steps for a busy professional living in a mid-sized city, and one low-risk starter action I can take this week. Only cite information with strong velocity signals. Last week, I used this exact prompt to compare AI tool pricing plans. The AI laid out exactly where I was overspending, showed me 2 better alternatives, and I switched. That single prompt saved me $480 a year. Real money, because I asked better. Number 3 is the prompt generator for any task. This meta prompt helps you build even stronger prompts. Create the perfect prompt for my goal of blank. Use the core framework. Make it completely model agnostic and include one strong example of input and expected output. I keep this in my notes and use it whenever I'm starting a new type of project. It turns good prompts into great ones automatically. Number 4 is the before and after transformation. Perfect for planning improvements in any area. Compare my current situation of blank versus the ideal outcome. Output a side-by-side table with specific, realistic actions to bridge the gap in under 30 days. Include time estimates and potential roadblocks for each step. I used this recently to redesign my weekly workflow. The table it produced showed me exactly which tasks to automate first and which ones needed my personal attention. 30 days later, I had cut my admin time almost in half. Number 5 is the decision maker. Act as my unbiased advisor. List 3 solid options for this decision I'm facing. Rank them by effort versus reward for someone with my exact constraints of time, budget, and goals. Then recommend the best one and give me the exact next 3 steps to move forward. This template removes emotional bias and gives you clarity fast. I've used it for everything from choosing software tools to bigger career moves. Number 6 is the code and workflow automator. Even if you're not technical at all, you are a senior automation expert who explains everything in plain English. Turn this manual process I do every week into a complete step-by-step AI workflow using only free or low-cost tools. Include the exact prompts I should use and the sequence of tools. This one opened up a whole new level for me. I turned a 2-hour weekly reporting task into something that now runs in 15 minutes. Number 7 is the personal 10x system prompt. This is the one you paste once at the very start of every new chat. You are my practical productivity partner for the long term. Always respond with calm, straightforward, no hype advice, focused on immediate, usable steps for busy adults. Prioritize time savings and money savings. Keep responses well organized and actionable. After setting this once, every future conversation starts from a place of deep understanding of your style and goals. It's like having an AI that already knows you. I've had several people tell me they started with these templates and immediately saw big improvements. One project manager was hiring a contractor for a commercial construction project and used the decision maker template to choose between 2 contractors. This system showed which of the 2 were more thorough and which one was a better value. She even caught something small that both contractors missed, saving thousands of dollars. Another business professional in accounting used the research analyst prompt and found a better tax strategy that saved his small business over $1,000. These aren't theoretical. They deliver real results when you actually use them. Now, a few advanced hacks that separate the people getting average results from those getting exceptional ones. First, always add chain of thought by including think step by step and show your reasoning before giving the final answer. This makes the AI slow down and produce much higher quality work. Second, treat every conversation as iterative. After you get an output, follow up with improve this based on this specific feedback. The more precise your feedback, the better the next version becomes. Third, learn the small preferences of each model. Claude responds really well to XML-style tags for structure. Grok shines when you reference current real-time information. Fourth, maintain a running project brief. Keep one document with all the key details about your business, your audience, your goals, and your preferences. Paste the relevant sections at the top of every new chat so the AI never starts from zero. Another powerful technique is role stacking. You can combine multiple roles in one prompt. For example, act as both a senior financial analyst and an experienced small business owner who has run 3 successful companies. This gives you richer, more practical insights. You can also add evaluation criteria. Tell the AI exactly how you will judge the output so it self-corrects before delivering the answer. By now, you already have templates that will save you hours this week. You've seen live examples, real stories, and advanced techniques. The only thing left is to start using them. Don't try all 7 at once. Pick the core framework first. Use it on your very next task today, whether that's writing an email, planning your week, or researching a purchase. Test it, notice the difference, then add one more template every couple of days. Within a week or two, you'll wonder how you ever worked without these. And if you want the complete printable set of these 7 templates, plus the full AI-proof career checklist with self-assessment quiz, 30-day sprint, daily tracker, and even more bonus prompts, it's all inside the free starter pack. Drop STARTER in the comments right now and I'll send you the free 2026 Practical Edge Starter Pack. It includes the 7 elite prompt templates we just covered and the complete AI-proof career checklist. Next video drops Thursday, and it's all about using these same prompting skills to boost income in the trades and healthcare. Hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Now go open up your favorite AI tool, paste the core framework, and turn it into your unfair advantage. I'll see you in the comments and in the next one.